Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris and I am out here barbecuing. Woohoo! Let me see if I can get this right. Yes. So I marinated all the meats overnight. I marinated the corn as you saw, and I got the burgers going. And there's the teriyaki steak, teriyaki chicken, pork chops over top. Oh yeah. On to more positive things, the food. Oh yeah. Be right back with more deliciousness. Hey nieces and nephews, I want to show you something quick and easy. An alternative to the regular iceberg lettuce salad. Yeah, okay. Hey, when you get a bag of spinach from the food pantry, this is what you do. Clean it, take the stems off. I have put in here a bed of spinach, baby spinach. I put some red onions over top of that. Then I sliced up 2 avocados. Then I sliced up 2 very ripe tomatoes. I'm going to put a little lemon juice over top to preserve and get some taste my avocados. Now, take you some boiled eggs and put over top. Arrange them nicely. And top with crumbled up bacon. And there you have my bacon spinach salad. I serve with a balsamic honey vinaigrette, ranch, or hot bacon dressing. This is going to jazz up my barbecue for today. All right, nieces and nephews. Now for your corn, take your corn, after you cleaned it, put it in a store bag. Take your favorite, well, my favorite, liquid smoke. Put some drops in there, okay? So you wet it up. Then take your favorite salt-free seasoning, sprinkle it on in. Take the bag, shake it around a bit, mix it around, let it set for about 10 minutes or so, and put on the grill. Cook till nice and tender, and you will have some of the best grilled corn you've ever eaten in your life with seasoning. All right. Nephews, look how the salad came out. I love it. All right, we are going to barbecue and we are going to chow down. Everything is done. Hold on. Yes, we're fixing plates. No, that steak is not burnt. It's teriyaki. Oh, yes. We've got corn. Nina. We've got pork chops. We've got hamburgers.
Don't forget about me.
We've got Jay. All right. We're going to chow down, guys.
Make sure that you follow this delicious recipe if you want to make it your own. Sorry for being in so late.
Till next time, like, comment, and subscribe.
Smash that subscribe button, and I'm going to have myself a piece of bacon.
Back. Well, give me that bacon.